Finishing touches. Dang. Oh my god. So today I'll be cooking a simple recipe that my aunt sent me. And what you need is some mushrooms, spring onions, pork mince or beef and pork mince, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice, onions, and garlic, and preferably a rice cooker. Haven't tried this recipe before, so let's go. So I'm using 3 cloves of garlic, and a quick tip on how to peel garlic quickly is to press down, careful with the knife, and then you can peel it easily like this. Oh, and then you just dice it up. Whoops. Put your garlic in. Fry them for a bit. Whoops. Okay, take it out. It's like half, roughly. Should be enough. And now I'm gonna add probably should have added the mince first, but oh well. Okay. This. Break it up. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Oyster sauce. Whoops, that's probably like 1 or 2. That's a lot. Oh well. Stir it around. And she says to fry the rice. Never done this before, so let's see how it goes. What else? First, maybe salt. 1 time might be a bit too salty. Stir, stir, stir. Right. I think that looks pretty good. The fried garlic that we have. Do I add it or not? Yeah, add it in. Roughly equal amounts of water as parts of amount of rice that you add. I think it was about 250-ish. Looks about right. Experimental student cooking, guys. Okay, out. And hope for the best. Alright, turn it on. Looks delicious. Sounds good. Ta-da! Finishing touches. Dang. Oh my god. Yeah, I obviously am very skilled in this aesthetic looking thing. Okay, cool, let's dig in. It's quite nice.